to move a sheet from a position to another or from a place to another, you have several options. For example, if you want to move this sheet to the front, just click and drag to the front or to the end. There is also another option. Click on the sheet name with the right button of the mouse, select move or copy, and move to end. If you would like to move this sheet to another workbook, you can always click on the name of it and select move or copy. Under to book, select the other book or the other worksheet where you want to move it. And you can select create a copy to create a copy of it there. Now let's verify in the second workbook. And here I have my expenses sheet has been moved there.